be that CEO in your business, you need to be able to tune into what is right for you and your business instead of always deferring to other people. Is it important to get a coach? Is it important to get guidance? Abso-freaking-lutely. However, you ultimately need to check in with yourself first. Something I like to call the wine swish test is the way that I do this. It's like you take, when you go to a wine tasting, you take a little sip of wine, you wash it around in the inside of your mouth, and then you spit it out, right? This is what we need to do when we approach new ideas that other people are bringing to us. When we learn a new strategy or our coach tells us to go do this or that, is we need to swish it around for ourselves and see, does this actually intuitively fit for me and my business? And is this aligned, the aligned action, the aligned path that will lead me to more wealth, that will lead me to more abundance, and that will have my clients signing up? So I always want to encourage you to see if it's right for you and not to just blindly follow the directives that someone else is giving you, because that is not being the CEO of your business. That is ultimately being an employee.